Hello guys, welcome to my channel Nidgash on Webtex Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to change your font size if you are composing new mail or you are reading the new mail and your font size is too small. So I can show you how you can change it. I'm going to show you two methods that it will be help you to solve your problem. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Outlook here. Okay, so when I open the any email or try to compose a new mail, okay, so here I'm go to the new mail here. Okay, compose the new mail. Okay, so in option you can see the font text. Okay, so this is my font text by default 24. Okay, and I write something, so it is like proper. I just change it with 18. Okay, so 18 also perfect, so make it by default is 12. Okay, so this is by default size and it is very visible. So now if you think this is if you make the proper font size and it is not it is look like very small, so you have to check, go to the format text and go to the zoom here. Under the zoom you have to check that the percentage if you make 100 below more 100, it like if you take it 20, so it look like very small. Okay, so you have to go zoom again and make it 100% and just click on it, so it will be looks normal text. Okay, this is the first method. Second method, if you want to set the default font in your Outlook, so you can also make it. Go to the file, go to the option here. In option, go to the mail. Under the mail you can see the dictionary and fonts, so you can change the font style here from new mail and for the forward mail. So just click the fonts. You can change the font size, font type, font style, and font size also. You can make the by default and click the OK. And for forward mail also you can make same setting and click the OK, and then click the OK, then your default size will be changed. So that is how you can change or too small font in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.